I go over question number 1, where we have to match each equation to its graph. So we should be comfortable now knowing that you find the constant of proportionality in the graph, or your k value at 1 comma, and then what that y coordinate is your constant of proportionality. So what we're going to do is look at each of these graphs, find that coordinate point. Y value is going to tell me what the constant of proportionality is, and then I know in an equation that's what that value is that I multiply my x by. So if I look at graph number 1, I can see that my coordinate here that is given to me is 1 comma. I need to figure out what that value is. So it's somewhere between 0 and 1. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. So when I take 1 and divide it into the 5 spaces, that's going to tell me the k value. A little bit hard to see. So what I can also do, remember, if you have a point that's easier to see, I can see that this coordinate point has values 5, comma, 4. So we can find that constant of proportionality by dividing the y value by the x value. Remember, we can find k by taking y divided by x. So if I do that here, I get 5 over 4. So that's what that y value is down here. Which of my equations is written with a k value of 5/4? I'm sorry, I completely flipped that around. My coordinate here is 5, comma 4. When I divide, did this backwards, I get 4 over 5. Did it backwards. So then my equation here that matches is B. Question number 2, I can see my coordinate point here, 1, comma, I'm cut into thirds. So I have 1/3, 2/3. So that y coordinate is 2/3. But then also remember, you can look at this coordinate also. That coordinate has value 3, comma 2. So when I divide, I get 2 over 3. So k for graph number 2 is 2/3. Which equation matches that? D. Problem number 3. I see that first coordinate point, 1, comma. I'm cut into thirds. I have 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 4/3. So 1, comma 4/3. And again, also you can pick out the one that's a little bit easier to see, 3, comma 4. So when we divide that out, we again get a k value equal to 4/3. So that means that graph 3 is going to match with E. Number 4, I can see a coordinate down here. I'm going to pull it out. I have 1, comma. What am I cut into here? I have 1, 2, 3 fourths. So that's 1/4. So k is 1/4. So I see that that is C. Graph number 5, I have a coordinate point of 1, comma 2. That one's very easy to pick out and see for A. So then that would leave 6 to match with F. Let's double check. My coordinate here is 1, comma. Cut into halves, so 1/2, 2/2, 3/2. So I get 3 over 2, which, like I said, matches here. So there you have it.